Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious peach eggnog jello that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious peach eggnog jello, these are the ingredients. I have peach jello, 1 cream cheese, unflavored gelatin, condensed milk, evaporated milk, eggnog, and of course hot water. These are the only ingredients you need to prepare this amazing and delicious jello at home for the holidays. So let's get started. Here I want to start first with half a cup of just cold water where I'm going to add the unflavored gelatin. I am going to add it in here. I am going to mix it really well, and then I am going to let it bloom. Let it rest until it's nice and bloomed, and let's put it aside. And now I am ready with my mold. I'm going to add a little bit of vegetable oil, and with the napkin I am going to grease all the walls of this mold, making sure that everything is covered so that jello comes out perfect when it's ready to come out. I'm going to put it aside, and now I have very hot water. I'm using 3 cups of hot water, and I'm going to add the 2 packages of the peach jello. Look at this. I am going to whisk it for a couple minutes, 3-4 minutes, until the jello has dissolved completely. This is the very important part, making sure that you really whisk it really good before you transfer it to a bigger container to add your cold water. Remember, we added 3 cups of hot water, and now we are adding 3 cups of cold water, and we are going to incorporate it really good. This jello is going to take about 4 hours to be completely done, and you are going to be able to enjoy it the same day. Well, now I'm just going to transfer it back to the small cup, and now I am ready to start building up my jello. I'm adding the mold, adding the jello here halfway, and then I'm going to take it to the refrigerator for about 15 minutes while I prepare the rest of the ingredients. The unflavored gelatin has bloomed. I'm going to take it to the microwave. I'm going to heat it up until it dissolves completely and it's nice and liquidy. Look at this. After like 40 seconds in the microwave, it's really loose, it's really watery. And now I have the cream cheese here in my blender cup. Remember that the cream cheese is at room temperature. Of course, I don't want to leave anything behind. I'm adding the cream cheese, evaporated milk, and the condensed milk. And I am going to add the unflavored gelatin into the blender cup, and now I am ready to blend and incorporate completely the unflavored gelatin. It really doesn't take too long to make this amazing and delicious eggnog jello with peach. And now I want to show you how this looks. It's really creamy. It's a really thick mixture. But believe me, once you make this amazing eggnog jello, you are going to continue enjoying it throughout the year, especially in the holidays. And now I am going to add the rompope or the eggnog into my blender cup. I'm using 3 cups of eggnog mixture, and I am ready to incorporate it into the rest of the ingredients. Look at this. Make sure that you really incorporate all the eggnog into all the ingredients. Whisk it really good, making sure that you really get all the sides of the bowl. And look at the texture. It's really creamy. The aroma of the eggnog, amazing. And of course, by this time, my Jell-O is already getting nice and firm. I'm taking it out of the refrigerator. I am ready to pour the eggnog mixture into it, but mix it really good, okay? So that there is no lumps in the eggnog mixture. And when you put it in there, when you add it, do it slowly so it doesn't tear the peach Jell-O on the bottom. I am going to go ahead and just add enough, and the rest, of course, I'm going to make individual little cups. I'm going to take it to the refrigerator for about 4 hours. I'm going to wet my hands after 4 hours, wet the plate, and now I am ready to reveal how this amazing Jell-O comes out. Perfect for the holidays. If you liked and loved this recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, be part of Cooking with Gloria. Look at this. Look how beautiful this looks. I can't wait to enjoy it, and I am sure you are really going to love it. Of course, I made individual mini cups so that I can enjoy one when I do the presentation. Look at this. Look how beautiful they look. Okay, I am ready to enjoy, so I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing peach eggnog Jell-O that I know you guys are really going to love. It's nice and creamy. The combination of the peach and the eggnog, just perfection, made at home. But this is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. Really creamy, really delicious. You need to enjoy it with your beautiful family. Of course, if you add a little bit more of eggnog, perfection, made at home. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you on my next delicious recipe. Bye-bye.